How to drastically increase your sales page conversions. The best copywriters in the world do this, although you may never hear about it. It's so simple, really, and yet powerful. And once you start doing it, you'll likely see your sales go up in a really big way. Here's what you do. Take a good look at your product from a prospect's point of view. Come up with every single objection they might have as to why they cannot or will not buy your product. Write down all of these objections, every single one of them. And then answer them in your sales copy. For example, might they say you're charging too much? Outline the potential income and benefits they'll receive compared to the pittance they're paying. Are they afraid it won't work? Create a money-back guarantee that assures them they are taking absolutely, positively no risk, and back it up with plenty of testimonials. Might they say it's too complicated? Show them how easy it is, or provide a done-for-you service. Just gather all the objections together, overcome each one in your sales copy. And they won't have a reason left not to buy your product. And as long as you follow the formula step by step, you should produce better results. Here they are. 1. Your value proposition in the header. 2. Visual focus, headshot, product shot, video, etc. 3. Outline the features and benefits of your product. 4. Single and focused call to action. 5. Include testimonials and other visual proof. 6. Give a guarantee. 7. Integrate the storytelling into your landing page. This is such a simple thing, yet most marketers never take the time to do it. Just gather all the objections together, overcome each one in your sales copy, and follow these steps. And they won't have a reason left not to buy your product. How often do you split test your sales page? Let me know in the comments and subscribe to our channel.